Probably the first 48 hours after NIO Day, there were over 40,000 ET7 pre-orders, guys. That's just mind-bogglingly high. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What a week it has been, guys. Today we will be discussing NIO stock and how the price evaluations have been rising for the past week and the past months, because look at this price, guys. Like right now NIO is sitting at the $56 mark. We had a red Friday, we had a 7% sell day. Basically Fridays are usually sell day, but today in this video we will be doing a stock price prediction, keeping in mind that next week will be very bullish because we have President Biden being elected as a president on a Wednesday, on the 20th of January. And I believe that this event on itself will help all the green EV stocks, including NIO and Tesla and Plug and all the other ones such as SBE, going up really high, guys, because this is really bullish news for us investors. And today we will be doing a stock price prediction like we did in the previous videos. So if you want to see a lot more stock price predictions, including NIO, including SBE, Palantir, and also the other very growth stocks, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below, because in this channel we do nothing else than technical analysis and stock price prediction, guys. So make sure to stay with me and sub to the channel, because we will be covering a lot more stocks in the upcoming future. Alrighty guys, here we are at the NIO candlestick chart. So looking at today, it's Sunday, the markets are closed, but if we take a look on Friday, last Friday, we had a drop of around 7.5%. Why? The reason why is that people took profits. Basically, stocks don't always go up. Of course, they don't always go up, but NIO is still in a very good bull run. Let me explain why. You all remember the previous all-time high of $57 at around the 24th of November. After that, Citron, they shorted the stock and it dropped basically 25% all the way down to the $39, very close to the 50 moving average line. If you can see around here, this was a very good point for buyers to get an entry at NIO stock at a really cheap price, guys. Like $39 was a really good entry. We had a healthy pullback because of Citron. And the people who bought here right now are probably up like 25%, because the price today is $56. And that's after the second pullback of our all-time high of $67 right after NIO Day, which was on a Monday. Like NIO Day was on a Saturday, sorry, but on Monday the stock was up like 10% easily, and we had a huge volume, as you guys can see around here, and people started buying because of the hype, because of the NIO sedan and all the new stuff that they basically announced on that day. And today we are having a healthy pullback. If you guys can see, the white lines is our current trend. NIO is still in a bullish trend, if you guys can see, because we have crossed our previous all-time high of $57. And whenever you cross your previous all-time high, that means that the stock will go up. This means that the stock is in a bullish movement, and that is basically seen by the current evaluation of $56. We are up over 20% compared to the last pullback of around $39, and I think that this stock will still go up, because the next catalyst that we have will be the Biden administration. If you guys know, this Wednesday, the 20th of January, Biden will be announced the official president of the United States, and that will be a huge boost for all the green EV stocks. Also, the green energy stocks such as Plug will all gain a lot of market share, in my opinion, because Biden is pro green energy, and that is a big catalyst for us. That is the next catalyst that we will have probably. And I believe that looking at Biden's administration coming in at the 20th of January, we could still have like a really good bull run, guys. If you guys see, we could be having a very good bull run, and if we manage to break our resistance of around $67, we could be having a lot more movement to the upside, and because we will be breaking our resistance, which will then become our new support level. And looking at that, we also have another big catalyst, which will be the opening of the second factory for NIO, working with JAC Motors, because right now they have plans to open their second plant, their manufacturing plant with JAC Motors, and it's pretty much confirmed at this point. And that will be another big catalyst for NIO. And also, we are expecting a lot of pre-orders for the ET7 sedan. If you guys didn't know, probably the first 48 hours after NIO Day, there were over 40,000 ET7 pre-orders, guys. That's just mind-bogglingly high. That's amazing. I wasn't expecting that much of pre-orders, but the ET7 is in high demand. As all EV cars, this is amazing news for NIO. And I believe that we are just beginning, guys. So when is a good time to enter NIO? I mean, based on this, looking at the current evaluation of $56, if you can get a buy closer to the 50 moving average line, right here, like if you can see the 50 moving average line, it's pretty much following the line currently. And looking at the previous evaluations, when we had that pullback, look at this. The $39 was really close to the 50 moving average. This would be a really good buy. Also, after that could be the $43. If you purchased at these points, you would be up over 20% right now. So if the price drops further to the $50 support level, which I think is the real support level of NIO, if you can get NIO at around $50 to $52, that would be a bargain, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but getting NIO at the $52 mark would be a really good buy, because this stock will have a lot of upside momentum. Because look at this, we have the earnings right here at around the 21st of March, and you know, before the earnings, NIO will go really high. Based on the previous chart, you can see the previous earnings, NIO beat the expectations by quite a lot. And you can see after the earnings, we had a pullback. That's basically when the news sets down and everyone will take profits after the earnings will be announced. But before the earnings, we will have a huge surge to the upside, even touching the $75 mark. In my opinion, could be reached before March. That's really, really possible with NIO. And I believe that if you can get a buy at the $54 to $55 mark, is a really good bet, because I think before March the 21st, NIO will hit $75, and I think that this stock will hit $90 to $100 by the end of 2021. Even before that, I believe that if we have a lot more plans like the Europe expansion, which could be another big catalyst going forward. We know that NIO is hiring personnel in Norway, and that's just amazing. They have LinkedIn job offerings on their page. You can check it yourself. NIO will go really big after those expansions, guys. So that was my NIO stock price prediction. I believe that if we can break the $67 resistance, we could go to new all-time highs of $70 to $75 before the earnings in March. So that was my analysis, guys. If you liked it, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like down below, because I would really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching my analysis. As you guys can see, NIO is still up quite a lot in the past couple of weeks and months compared to XPeng and Li Auto. NIO had a really strong support level at around the $45 to $50 range, and I believe that this stock has so much potential, guys. It has so much upside. I believe that this stock could easily hit $80 to $90 at the end of 2021, because we have so many catalysts ahead of us, like the ET7, like the 150 kilowatt hour battery, and also the brand new factory, guys, because NIO has been opening the second factory in Hefei, China, and this is going to be really bullish. We also have the earnings, which will be on March the 12th, and also over 40,000 ET7 pre-orders for their new sedan. That's just amazing, guys. So this stock is just so hot and hyped right now that I believe that with the hype alone, that this stock will go even at least 30% higher in this year alone. So much upside. So that was the end of my stock analysis, guys. If you really liked it, subscribe to my channel and leave a like down below, because we will be doing a lot more technical analysis like these, and I want you to be a part of this channel. So let's get right to it, and have a nice day, guys.